Hello everybody, this is one of my first videos of unboxing the Airpods Pro. This is the brand new Apple Airpods for 2019, the third generation Airpods, bought at this time in 2019 December, and it's priced at £249, so pretty expensive compared to the AirPods 2, but let's see. There's a lot of hope that these will be really worth the price. So what's supposed to be new is that they have the similar duration in battery, but it has active noise cancellation. So those were really found in high-end headphones such as the Bose ones, the QC25 and the QC35s. But yeah, so the active noise cancellation, I'm looking forward to how it works out, and the duration, the battery power isn't delayed or anything like that, so I mean you get the similar battery durations. So yeah, the earbud tips are also interchangeable, so if you have different size external ear canals, you can easily fit the ones that which you are more comfortable, and these are supposed to be more water and sweat proof. So yeah, so here goes. Let's unbox this and see what's what, right? So there is a tag here to bring it down, so we slowly remove it and see. Oh, so we basically peel the box off, and ooh, it comes off quite easy. Interesting. So there goes the polythene, not polluting the environment at all. So AirPods Pro, slightly elevated bridge here on this box. Pardon me for any light inaccuracies. So yeah, so this comes with wireless charging case. The previous ones had the option of wireless charging case, and it didn't have, we had two options. So at the time, Amazon was selling these for £249, but the AirPods 2 had come below £160, so those were pretty good steals. So here goes. AirPods Pro coming off the box. So you have the designed by Apple in California, and you have a, what's this, AirPods Pro, seat, AirPods Pro. Okay, so you have your small booklet on how to get this activated. You got your turn on Bluetooth, connect AirPods Pro. That's basically opening the box up, and you can use it with other Apple devices such as your Apple Watch, iPad, macOS. So yeah, just wondering whether you can pair it with multiple devices. Let's see. So let's see what else is there. So all the details on how to get it up and running is there. So I'm just gonna slide that back in. What else is there? AirPods Pro safety and handling. Okay. Maybe it explodes in your ear, then you're really in for some. So warranty summary is there. Apple AirPods regulatory compliance information, FCC compliance. Okay, so those are there. What else? Nothing else. So here goes. So here are these babies, and they are quite small. I mean, these are easily pocketable. You can have it on, some sort of chain. So it's there. So I'm just gonna bring it down and just see what else is in here. Okay, so that just popped out easy. And you get a cable, upper zone. Well, USB cables. Just gonna remove this and see what's what. Remove that off as well. It's a fairly firm cable. Okay. Alright. So let's just keep the cable there. And what else is there? So, okay. These are the earbud tips. So you got 2 sets of earbud tips. So how does this open up? So, okay. So you have, so it says, I don't know if you can see it. There's S here. So there's an S there for small, and there's a L here for large ear canals. So depending on your external ear canal sizes, you can change your ports. So yeah, that's about it inside the box. And we move on to the interesting part. So just peel this down here. Okay, and peel this back up. Let's see. Okay, so it just pops out like that. And it's not that heavy at all, it's probably about, I don't know, how much does it say it weighs, but not much. So, and it's easily, 2 fingers, pretty smooth. Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Okay, interesting. So just pop this open, and you can see first time I'm gonna open these, and there's a light flashing. You can see that easily here, right? So okay, so I have not switched on Bluetooth on my iPhone, so to get this bad, but as you can see, so how okay, it's pulling the AirPod in because of the magnetic. It's easily pulling it in. So I'm going to give it a little nudge, and okay, so it's a pretty nice feel when you touch this, and you can see the speakers on this side, right? Yeah, so it's supposed to be squeezable. So let's see. So it's your right, and this is your left. I hope I don't drop these somewhere. So that's the unboxing, right? So you have your AirPods, right, with your cable and interchangeable earbud tips there, small and large. I suppose these are medium, unless they're extra large, which is, yeah, these are probably medium, right? So yeah, so okay, so that's it for now for the AirPods. I'm sure these are easily pairable. So thank you very much for joining my unboxing of the Airpods Pro. So yeah, I'll do some jogging and testing and see how well these perform, and whether they are worth the money spent on it. And for anybody who's interested, yeah. So thank you very much. Good night.